Ngrok, or called it Ngrok, is a command line tool that creates a secure tunnel between your local machine and the internet. It allows you to expose your local development server to the web, making it accessible from anywhere in the world. With that being said, now let's set it up. Sign up for account first. Signing up an account should not be a problem, so I will skip this part. After signing up, just fill the info as I did. Now verify your account with the link sent to your mail and download the file. Go to your downloads and follow my steps. For this demo, I will copy Ngrok to my desktop. You can keep it wherever you want. Now go back to your browser and down below, you will see Authentication Token. Copy it and paste it to your terminal. Token saved, now you can use it. Now let's see how to expose your local host to the internet. I blurred the link because it has my public IP address. It's no longer old Ngrok now.